Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off your message notifications on your Shein app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on me here and down, then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do now. So just go up, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window or settings window. Then you just click here on contact preferences here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just click here on your message notifications. It's going to take you here, you come here to your message notifications, you will click here. Then when you click, it's going to take you to next window here, and you click here on this sign here or on short notifications, and like you say, it's gone now. That's mean your message notification is on off now. I wish you know you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.